Equation of a line passing through 2 points. The first point has x equals 3, and y equals 2. The second point has x equals -3, and y equals 1.
First, place the 2 points on the coordinate grid.
The run is the horizontal change, from x equals 3 to x equals -3, the run is -6. The rise is the vertical change, from y equals 2 to y equals 1, the rise is -1.
Slope is rise divided by run, -1 over -6, which simplifies to 1 over 6. Now draw the line through both points.
Start with point slope form, y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Then fill in the boxed values, slope is 1 over 6, x1 is 3, and y1 is 2.
That gives the specific point negative slope equation for this line.
Finally, solve for y to get slope negative intercept form.
The graph and the equation describe the same line.